Hey everybody, Jason Moser here with you from Motley Fool One. Thanks for joining us for another installment of Ask a Fool. Now this week's question is submitted to us from JT Forbes on Facebook, who asks, should you buy stocks during earning report weeks? And I think everybody probably has their own philosophy on this, but personally I think that earnings season can present us some of the best opportunities to buy stocks. So yes, I think it's something worth keeping in mind. You know, recently we had noted investor Chuck Ocker here to talk to many of us at Fool HQ, and he mentioned this sort of thing on Wall Street, this dilemma, this beat by a penny, miss by a penny syndrome, where the street gets so focused on these short-term targets, these short-term earnings targets, that they fail to see the forest for the trees, really the quality of the business and its long-term prospects. So many times we see solid businesses will miss their earnings estimates by a penny or even more, or maybe they offer up less guidance going forward than what the market was expecting, and the stock price will take a big hit. But that's not necessarily indicative of the quality of the business. So if the fundamentals of the business are still there, I mean, this can certainly mean a great opportunity for longer-term investors to swoop in there and buy shares. And I'll give you a real-life example of one that just recently happened here. LinkedIn, a company that we follow here at virtually every service of the Motley Fool, recently announced their earnings, and there were some concerns with forward guidance and some implications on its marketing strategy. The stock quickly fell 13% the very next day, and it's down 18% since that earnings report. Now, any of us who follow the company can see that LinkedIn is really still firing on all cylinders, doing a lot of good stuff, and those short-term concerns weren't really concerns that we shared. The business to us hasn't changed at all. In fact, we think it's stronger than ever. And so that if you have an inclination to look at LinkedIn as a potential opportunity, then now very well may be a great time to buy shares. And it was all thanks to that short-term thinking from the street during earnings season. So definitely, earnings season's a great time to keep those stocks on your watch list in mind. A great question. Thanks again for asking. For more on this and for everything else investing, head on over to Fool.com.